Afcon 2015, Guinea threw Mali out after drawing of luck. One representative from Guinea and Mali took part in Thursday's draw, which involved selecting balls from a bowl. Mali's Football Association President Boubacar Diatta went first and pulled out the ball that placed them third in the group. Lots have been drawn before. In the 1954 World Cup qualifying match in Rome, Turkey and Spain were tied after 90 minutes. At that point, a 14-year-old boy, the son of a stadium employee, was summoned to draw lots from a trophy, sending Turkey to compete at the tournament in Switzerland while Spain were sent home. Some reports suggest balls were drawn, others say it was a slip of paper. In the 1988 Africa Cup of Nations, Algeria profited at the expense of Ivory Coast after the drawing of lots. At the 1990 World Cup in Italy, the Netherlands and Ireland were tied for second place in their group. Straight after the match, Sepp Blatter, then second in command at FIFA, conducted a drawing of love ceremony live on TV in Rome. Both teams were guaranteed qualification for round 2 but an attendant drew a ball from 2 bowls to determine their ranking. Tamara Durbo, financial director of the Guinea Sports Ministry, then drew the ball that confirmed his side in second place. Guinea coach Dussuiger and Mali's boss Henri Casper Zak had both said before Thursday's draw that lots were an unfair way of deciding who went through. Mali do not deserve to be eliminated in this way, just as we do not, Dussuiger said. Casper Zak added, we have to solve the problems of qualification without a drawing of lots. The Confederation of African Football CAF, which organizes the tournament, said that alternative systems to separate teams would be considered in future. CAF Media Director Junior Binyam said, we have to stand by the regulations but also think about how we improve it. It's not fair to have a team going out like this. It really is the worst decision to make the decision this way, because everybody expected it would be decided on the field. At 2008 UE definite rule that Turkey and the Czech Republic, who went into their final group match against each other with identical records, would have been separated by a penalty shootout had they drawn. Turkey won the match 3-2. Guinea have reached the Africa Cup of Nations quarterfinals at the expense of Mali after the drawing of lots. Michel Dussuiger's side will face Guinea on Sunday following the draw at Malabo Hotel. Guinea and Mali had finished level in Group D after they drew all 3 pool matches 1-1. It is the first time lots have decided a team's qualification in the tournament since 1988, when Algeria profited at Ivory Coast's expense. This time, Ivory Coast finished top of Group B in Equatorial Guinea after beating Cameroon 1-0, the only match in the group not to finish in a 1-1 draw.